I am Chandrakant K. Bhange, Assistant Professor of ENTC Department in AISSMS IOIT Engineering College. Telecommunication traffic. So we need to study the telecommunication traffic for various types of the wireless communication or the mobile communication. For mobile communication, uh, study the traffic is very important. Let's start with some basic things about the telecommunication traffic. So, mathematical model of the telecommunication traffic that are about the traffic unit, theoretical model of the telecommunication traffic process, traffic at the packet levels, and descriptions of the point process, characteristics of the point process, poison process, the concept of the birth and the death process, and creating the mathematical model for telecommunication traffic. These are the very important things to study in the telecommunication traffic. Telecommunication traffic unit in telecommunication traffic can be expressed in terms of the intensity of the traffic and the traffic volume. In details, the measurement of the traffic intensity associated with the planning and technical performance of the network, and measurement of the volume of the traffic associated with the revenue of the telecommunication operators and providers. Intensity of the traffic. The instantaneous traffic intensity is a pool of resources in the number of busy resources at a given instance of the time. Resources pool can be a number of trunks, number of channels, the number of time slots, and the fourth opening of the technologies used. Because of the resource pool on a unit standard, international is not having the dimensions. The unit of telecommunication traffic intensity also has no dimensions, and the suggestions of the many telecom expert who are the numbers who are the members of the ITU T study group unity Erlang's is used. Unit of telecommunication traffic intensity recommended by the ITU-T are also standardized by the ISO. Using the unit of telecommunication traffic, Erlang for intensity began in 1946 as a tribute to the Danish mathematicians H.K. Erlang, who first put forward the theory of telephone traffic. The traffic unit for telecommunication traffic intensity on the telecommunication network based on IP, that is the internet protocol, is still using the Erlang. It should not be noted that the Erlang, which is the dimensions suitable for use in the modeling telecommunication traffic and can be used for the all kinds of the telecommunication services. The intensity of the traffic used in the telecommunication traffic modeling for planning purposes for telecommunication system to control the traffic and for the traffic and performance monitoring of the telecommunication services. Uh, in Erlang, in medium of the transmission, that is the bandwidth of 1 Gbps, internet traffic following at 0.6 Gbps. The traffic intensity in the transmission medium is 0.6 Gbps per 1 Gbps is equal to 0.6 Erlang. On a web server that can serve 1000 hits per hour, there were 400 hits per hour. The traffic intensity on this web server is 400 hits per hour per 1000 hits per hour, which is equal to zero point 0.4 Erlang. On a call center that is able to serve the customers as many as the 500 calls per the minutes, there are the 230 calls per minute. Then the traffic intensity in the call center, a call per minute, which is equal to 230 calls per minute upon 500 calls per minute, which is equal to 0.46 Erlang. Next is the traffic volume. The traffic the volume of traffic is a traffic that is served by the telecommunication system, which is equal to the carrier traffic over a period of time measurement. A unit of telecommunication traffic volume depending on how revenue are calculated, which gives the examples of the calculations and use of the units of the volume traffic. And internet service provider determines the customers will have to pay $1 per 1 bytes of the traffic used by the customers, and then this case the unit volume of the traffic is G bytes. If in a month the internet service providers to get the volume of the traffic at 1 million G bytes, then the incoming, which is equal to 1 million gigabytes into $1 per gigabyte, which is equal to $1 million. The telephone service provider determine the customers will have to pay 1% dollar every 1 minutes of the phone calls made by the customers, so that in the case of the unit volume to traffic is the minutes. If one day the traffic volume was 1000 minutes, then the incoming providers, which is equal to 1000 minutes into 1 in per dollar, which is equal to $1000. The optic communication network operator rents out the bandwidth to its customers with the traffic. Theoretical modeling for the traffic, theoretical model for telecommunication traffic. It appears the theory of the telecommunication traffic in the combination of the stochastic and deterministic process. Telecommunication traffic should be expressed in the form of the mathematical model that is most of the appropriate. In order to select the most of the appropriate mathematical model to do the various types of the steps. Packet traffic process. The traffic process is presented in the IP, that is the internet protocol traffic, that the traffic process describe the process experienced by the packets. The packet size, each packet based on the observed number of the bytes or the bits or the bytes of it, including the headers. In addition to the units of the bits or the byte, the packet size can be expressed in the units of the second. For example, the size of the packet is equal to 100 bits per packet transmitted at the speeds of 100 megabytes per second. The size of the packets can be expressed in the units of second, which is equal to 100 bits per 1000 m bits per second, which is equal to 1 micro second. Traffic packet levels. Based on the levels of the most of the basic types of the traffic can categorized in the packets level. Observation, modeling and measuring the traffics at the packet levels means the observing the traffic that comes to access the network and switching networks. To consider here the variety of things related to the arriving the packet, regarding the positions of the packets in the group of the packets. Observe among other, there are the various process, that is the Poisson process is most of the important point process. On the front as well as the point process characterized as the Poisson process is characterized by the three things, that is the stationary, independence and simple. The priorities of the Poisson process as well as the point process is the distribution of the number of representations in the Poissons. There also in the concept of the birth and death process. In telecommunication traffic, namely the point process and arrival process, the second important concept of the telecommunication engineering is the birth and death process, which is the often used for to make the equations of the distribution functions and telecommunication traffic. To keep in mind that the main principles of the telecommunications modeling was the referring the point process, where the arrival completion surveys the packet depicted at different levels. The uh, handed mathematical formula that can be used in the particularly to perform the traffic engineering computations, without having the really known the concept of the point process. The simplest technicals which make the equations of the density functions of the telecommunication traffic is by the birth and the date process. Packet size, each packet based on the observation the number of bits bytes including its headers in addition to the units byte, and the packet can be expressed in the unit second. For example, the size of the packet 1 bits for the packet, the transmission speed 1 m bits of the second, and the size of the packets can be expressed in unit second, which is equal to 100 bits per 100 m bits per second, which is equal to 1 microseconds. Arrival time interval, regular within the time units, the interval of the time between the arrivals of the packets as the reference is now coming not at the end. Suppose a packet to be a size of 1 millisecond comes at a 10 more 0 minutes, more 0 second, more it means that ends of the 6 packet came in 10 o'clock, more 0 minutes over the 0.001 second packets number n plus 1 whose size is 10 milliseconds comes at the 10 o'clock, more 0 minutes 0.101 seconds and ended more coming at 10 o'clock, more 0 minutes over point 111 second. The interval between the arrivals of these two packets is 0.101 second, which is equal to 101 milliseconds. Thank you.